The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a car. It's a rolling masterpiece, the definition of luxury on wheels. This year's model continues the Phantom's legacy with even more refinement, more presence, and updated technology that blends perfectly with its timeless elegance. On the outside, the 2025 Phantom looks majestic. The signature Pantheon grille shines even bolder with subtle design enhancements, while the Spirit of Ecstasy stands proudly above. The LED headlights have been slightly reshaped for a more modern glow, and the two-tone paint options are now even more customizable, letting owners personalize every detail. From the 21-inch alloy wheels to the classic coach doors, every inch screams royalty. Step inside, and you enter a world of handcrafted luxury. Rolls-Royce has taken comfort to new levels. The Starlight Headliner dazzles like a night sky. The leather is softer than ever, and even the wood trims are hand-selected and polished to perfection. Rear seat passengers get the ultimate VIP treatment with massaging seats, chilled champagne coolers, and rear infotainment screens that feel more like private cinema experiences. Under the hood, the Phantom still carries its iconic 6.5-liter V12 engine, now tweaked for improved fuel efficiency and smoother performance. It glides silently, like a cloud, thanks to its advanced air suspension system. Whether you're driving or being driven, the ride is whisper quiet and silky smooth, as expected from a Rolls-Royce. Tech-wise, the 2025 Phantom gets a more intuitive infotainment system with a larger central touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and improved voice commands. The digital instrument cluster blends modern clarity with traditional style, and advanced driver aids like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and night vision are seamlessly integrated to make the drive both safe and effortless. In terms of exclusivity, Rolls-Royce continues to offer bespoke customization. You can request anything from personalized embroidery to one-of-a-kind paint schemes. The Phantom isn't just a car, it's a canvas for your imagination. The 2025 model also gets subtle, but effective sound insulation improvements, meaning the outside world feels even farther away. Even at high speeds, it's pure silence inside the cabin. Rolls-Royce has also improved the navigation system with real-time traffic updates, 3D maps, and connected features that sync with your mobile devices for ultimate convenience. Every detail of the 2025 Phantom is designed to make a statement, from the soft close doors to the umbrella tucked into the door panel. It's a car built not just to be driven, but to be experienced. So if you're someone who demands the very best, effortless power, supreme comfort, and unmatched presence, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is in a league of its own. Thanks for watching this review on Honest Auto Wheels. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car reviews.